Hey there, YouTube. I seen the comment before it got deleted by email, and yeah.
Artlist.io.
For the guy that said that dog's already wrecking that back seat, I saw you. You didn't have to delete that. But what I got here today addresses specifically that. It's a rear seat protector. It's a hard bottom one. That way
Music
the
licensing
80-pound
reimagined.
pit bull can not wreck my back seat. So we're gonna unbag it. We're gonna install it. We go from there. Here we go. Opening this thing up like a Christmas present. There I go.
Rawr.
Of course, besides that,
Artlist.io.
right where the thing. This is fine. Perfect. Little technical difficulties never hurt nobody, did they?
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. Just like that. Set that up there for now. Check the trash in the bag. Just like that. Now we're going to. Ooh, they give us a nice zipper bag. Unzip that. And we got a couple of back seat harnesses, seat belts for the dog. We'll have to see if these actually work, because the last one I tried did not work. Didn't fit in the S10 seat belt.
But then again, the S10 was a jump seat, not an actual seat belt, so we'll see.
But we're gonna go ahead and lay this out on the inside. Why don't you come around? Come around. Go around the truck, open the door, and watch.
Hold on, guys. I have to watch out for Goose.
Unfold that, unfold this. Oh, the mesh side goes towards the front, so we gotta spin around. That's the bottom.
That's the bottom.
Have to figure out how that goes in. But yeah. Fronts go around headrest. Backs go around headrest. We'll adjust these here in a minute. It's got the side pieces that you can clip up here. Now about those bottoms.
I think we just
Give me the bottoms.
there's one bottom. The other bottom's already over here. Oop. There's two bottoms.
Should be like 3 pieces.
Yeah, there's 3.
Here's the zipper, so it should slide in. The zipper's on your side.
Yeah. How are we going? Oh, there's the zipper.
Yeah. Told you there was 3.
Oh.
Take it in. There you go, pull it up and slide her in there. Just like that. We're gonna flip the phone back around and I'll get this.
should have did this before we...
Well, we didn't know because it didn't come with instructions. So we're winging it.
It's a pain in the butt.
Yeah, but worth it in the end. And the third piece. Make sure that it's seated in there properly because we're sticking out there.
Yep.
Just like that. Set that back up. Make sure we're not catching this piece. Make sure we're not catching it. There's it.
And zipper.
Alright. So there's that. Let me adjust this. Button. Nope, button. These just cinch up. Like that. Same thing with this one. Just like that. Tuck the extra underneath.
Right.
Put some pockets for some toys. There's side straps here. Now we're probably going to have the passenger side one zipped up all the time, simply because I tend to load the door in on my side of the truck. So the side panels of your door protectors will prevent scratches and whatnot from the sides. Up there. Loops around there. Probably have to extend that a little bit. Ain't no big deal. Yeah, that twisted up. Just like so. We'll come around and adjust that side.
Get a triangle.
Same thing. Just tuck it. Tuck it right.
Your ear is there.
That fits a lot better. Like I said, we'll probably leave the driver's side down. Just kind of tuck it in there like that.
Now,
Now for the seatbelt attachment. This does allow you use the seatbelts. And this does fold, so if you had passengers, you could unclip this and fold it up out of the way. So for the seatbelts, there's Velcro on the bottom here that allows you to access
A seatbelt.
seatbelt. Now, the question is, will this go into this? And it does. So now Thor could be safe whenever we get a crazy flex for. We could be safe, so we don't have an 85-pound pit bull hit us in the back of the head. This rear seat protector is from Shaped Paws. Retails for about $99. They threw in the seatbelt harness for free. Our only complaint is a lack of communication from them and the wait time. This was ordered like on the 3rd or 4th of July.
Yes.
It came in today. And I was sitting in ready to ship purgatory for like 3 weeks. Well, not 3 weeks, but like 12 days before I finally got any movement on it. But we'll find out how this is. Hopefully Thor enjoys it. We'll get video of that next time we take him somewhere, probably a dog park or something, just to see. Yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Bye, guys.
Yep, see you later.